Ask ChatGPT, are there only two genders? And you'll get a diplomatic answer. But here's what's unsettling. The model already knows what a priest would say, a biologist, and a drag queen would say. It processes every perspective internally before responding. The output only shows what it's allowed to. How do we know that? Every time researchers test whether LLMs understand human opinions, they just look at the final output. But a team at UC Berkeley scanned what's happening inside the model. Like an MRI, you're not asking the patient what hurts, you are looking at the brain signals directly. They fed models like Llama and Mistral over 7,000 prompts across 22 demographic groups on everything from gun control to healthcare to immigration. And at each layer of the model, they dropped in a tiny probe, like a sensor that lights up when a specific signal is present, and the scan showed something wild. The model's internal activations were 52 to 66% more aligned to the actual human opinion distribution as compared to the final output. So the model knows us better than it shows. But where does this knowledge live? A model like Llama has 32 layers. By layer 15, roughly halfway, the model has already formed the knowledge. After that, it barely learns anything new. But the final layer, called unemitting layer, has one job: to pick a word. And in doing that, all the group level nuances get crushed into one answer. The team went looking inside, using sparse autoencoders, observed models' attention heads, and found specific neurons that selectively fire for each of those 22 demographic groups. One fires for Republican, another for Hispanic, another for atheist. And when they amplified a group's neurons, the output shifted towards that group's opinion and suppressed them, and it shifted away. Flipping the signal changed the answer. So these models have not failed to learn us. They have learned us disturbingly well. Our divisions, our biases, our contradictions, and then they learn to flatten it all into one safe voice. So what AI does with everything it knows about us is our decision now. Follow Decipher AI.